Build a wall, build a wall.
10 feet, 20 feet, 100 feet tall. Build a wall, build a wall. 10 feet, 20 feet, 100 feet tall. What's going on, guys? Alright, so we're going to teach this guy how to hit a freestyle motocross ramp today. We've had like a crazy wind for like 2 weeks, so I'm stoked right now. I built this new setup, probably spent 150 hours on the tractor. Maybe another like 50, 60 hours getting the ramp set up, so I'm stoked for this. Let's get it going. Ready? Alright guys, gonna do a little warm up here. See if I can wheelie this. Nope. Oh, at least I tried, at least I tried. You can't fail if you don't try. Rap, rap. Whoop, bump. Alright, so you guys haven't seen anything I've done yet, which is what I wanted. The channel's been a little stale for a few weeks, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm telling you, man, it was fucking worth it. I put 150 hours on my tractor, like I said. There's that guy. Yeah. You do not understand how fucking pumped I am for this right now. Just gotta catch my breath here. I'm fat. Woo! Check this corner out. This thing's sick. I don't have the balls to hit that thing yet. I'm working on it. I think I need to build this landing a little taller. Fuck yeah, man. It feels so good to do that again. It's been 4 years since I've been able to hit a ramp out here. And honestly, that just feels great. Amazing. Whew. Alright, let's see what I can get going here. Oh, a little short. A little short. That's alright. So I have this mental lock with whips right now. I can't do anything I used to be able to do. And it sucks. So we're gonna work on that. Man, I need to do cardio. In zombie apocalypse, I'd be dead. Whoa. No. See, like I said, I get I don't know what I'm doing wrong right now. We'll work on it. So, my buddy Dustin at the start of the video there, he's been riding with me for about 2 years, and I'm hoping to get him on this ramp today, so that's the fucking plan. We'll see how it goes. No. See, I'm not carving off the ramp. Next round, let's try to carve off that ramp. I was doing some double cans the other day off some of the dirt hits. Problem with the double cans is when I have my knee brace on, can't do them. The knee don't bend that way. Need to focus for a second. There we go. That was a little better. So a little whip tip. 90% of your whip comes from the bars and leaning the bike. Now to lean the bike, you lean the bars. And you kind of lean on your peg a little too to control it. That was fucking gay. I used to be a pretty good whipper, a little whippersnapper. Nowadays I'm just like a fucking straight air bitch. But we're working on it. Practice, practice, bro. Woo. I'm out of shape. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. That felt decent. Let's see if I can do this again. Where's the little microphone? She good? I don't even know if the microphone's still going. Let's hope so. Whoa, that sucks! If you ever wondered what it feels like to land sideways, it's not friendly. Yo, no wind is just a bitch right now. I love it. It's been like a 50, 60 kilometer an hour wind for the last like 2 weeks. That was a little better. I got the rear end up there. That corner is so nice down there. That old turnaround I had before was just shit. You had to stop so fast. Now it's like you have time. It's great. This corner's soft. I hate it, but it's fun. That was a little short. I got a little arm pump going. Let's go talk to Dustin and see how it's going and let the arm pump relief. He's kind of being a little chicken right now. I don't know if any of you guys remember the first time you hit around, but it's not fun. I mean, it's fun, but it's scary, right? How's it going, Dusty?
Good.
I got a couple there. That one I came down completely sideways almost. Yeah. That was fun. I was trying to carve up it. And like the carve I got, but it's like I have this mental block. It's like there's a certain point in the air when you leave the ramp that you got to turn. Yeah. I'm not doing it. I'm being a little chicken right now. And I'm out of shape. I sat on that tractor for too many weeks. I wonder if that microphone fell off or not.
I think the tractor was a dope race.
Probably. Oh no, the microphone's still there. We're good. Yeah. Woo! Hopefully it's not fucking windy. So what are you doing right now? How's that chest hurting?
Oh, she's good, great. Thank you.
Yeah, that jump's not friendly when you case it, eh? Well, I think I'm gonna do a lap. Yep. I haven't done one of those yet, with the camera on anyways. I've done one with like, out the camera, but I shouldn't have said that. Now they're gonna know I had practice. Could have acted like this was my first run. All them people on them YouTube faking it, eh?
Yeah.
You gotta fake it to make it. That's actually legit though. You gotta have that attitude, otherwise you ain't gonna get shit.
That's true, that's true.
I mean, if you only ever have that attitude, then you're kind of a piece of shit, but you gotta have the attitude to get shit.
Yeah, I might just put on some run-ins down here. Go from there. If I hit it, I hit it. If I don't, well, whatever.
Alright. I was getting some arm pump because I'm kind of fat, so.
You need another arm pump?
Oh yeah, I haven't been doing enough of that this year. I should get on that, you know?
One strong arm.
Yeah. Actually, tell you the truth, my left arm's pretty sore. My right arm's good. Don't ask me if I'm right or left-handed because I'm not gonna fucking tell you. See if I can do this here without getting a run in. Haha, made it. Oh, deep. And that's a full lap. Yeah, boy. Oh, got caught in the gut. Lazy ride. I'm tired. Yeah, I couldn't do races. I don't got the energy for that shit. Too tired. Check out my belly. I'm tired. I'm tired. So what happens when you don't have a girlfriend to practice your cardio on?
Yeah. To pull your rental on the top there to just shot me all over the top. And come down to.
Yeah, that rut sucks. That corner's so loose. It's like it needs to be wider.
Yeah.
I should have built it wider.
Yeah. I definitely can't follow your run on the top. It's so straight off.
Super soft. I just said that the last run in I did.
Yeah.
I was like, this corner's so soft. You guys like my D12 tractor I got going on there? It's a pretty big tractor, eh? Get shit done. Like legit, the whole place built with that thing.
I could have done it in an eighth of the time with a real tractor.
Oh yeah. If I had a dozer out here, imagine what I would do out here.
Yeah, it works.
The only limitation nowadays is that thing.
Yeah.
It doesn't go uphill. So we got 10 horsepower. Alright guys, so I was gonna end the video, but I had an idea. Wooden ramp. That thing's so weird. It's like it goes down, up, down, up. I don't like right hand turns. Super easy. So I'm going short on purpose because I want him to see the speed coming into it, right? Because that safety deck's super nice to land on. Alright guys, so we're going to teach, so let's just see if we can get him to do this the first try. Now it's going to be hard because you guys can't see he's behind me, so we're going to turn around the second we hit the jump and see if we can catch him in air, right? Oh, he's going for it! Fuck yeah! Yeah! Oh shit, he was nose high as fuck! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Dude! Fuck yeah! You were so nose high! Fuck yeah! Give me one of these! Woo!
I tried to find that rear brake. I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna try wheeling it out.
I wish I got that landing. That was sick, man! Hell yeah! Woo! Fucking right!
I put myself over the bars as much as I could because I was like, I can't find that rear brake.
Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Yes! I was like, the GoPro might have let us down, but it didn't.
You're nice right here, dude.
Dude, I'm so sorry. How's your hand?
Oh, good.
Oh, you were holding your hand. I thought maybe you broke your hand or something. I was like, you bastard.
I'm just chilling.
You think you can do it again?
Oh, yeah.
I'm pissing gas right now. Hold on.
Too hard up there.
Oh, way too hard.
Flew up that-
Did you make the knuckle?
Oh, fuck, I left like probably halfway down. I don't know.
It looks like you did. You want to go take a break and come think about it and come back?
Doesn't matter.
Wait, well, it depends, because sometimes some people like to think about it, come back and do it again, or some people like to hit it again right away.
I'm not scared, so it doesn't matter. We can come back.
It's up to you.
Not mine, fuck.
You know what's wrong now, you just don't brap as hard. Or come in faster, brap less.
I kind of cracked the thing.
I saw, and you were in the back seat when you left the ramp. Lean forward more. The big ramp, that was the perfect position. The little ramp, because it's a constant radius.
Pressed me, and then it threw me off.
So constant radius are like that, right? If you're in the back seat on a constant radius ramp, you're gonna leave nose high. If you're in the back seat on a almost like an Aussie comp ramp, you're gonna kind of sail it perfect, right?
Yeah, no, just kind of caught me off guard how it compressed everything. It just put me straight up high.
Oh yeah, it's a cool feeling, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I wasn't scared of it. I was just like, okay.
Describe it from start to finish.
Hit the wrap up way too much. Look at the sky for a bit. Lean over the bars, see the landing coming, but the bike's straight up and down. Grabbed that rear brake to set it down, but missed it, so I just said, fuck it.
I saw you go for it. I saw that right foot going, but I was like, oh, I don't think you got it.
Man, I still can't walk into the berm here. And I was like, trying to take the berm, and I was like, nope, just make it over.
That's the best part about this landing, man. It's so long.
My helmet, man. The brake has some control.
I'm fucking so stoked you did that, man.
I didn't expect to go so fucking high, though.
That's the thing with those constant radius ramps. They're just rocket ramps, man. They're like they're like the SpaceX and their Falcon 9. It just fucking goes. That's just not enough there. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, fucking subscribe, please. Because YouTube nowadays, their algorithms suck. So I could use the support. Dusty right here. Follow this kid, Dusty306. I'm fucking in Instagram, and I'm not going to tell you his Facebook because none of us want fucking stalkers. But yeah, he's a fucking crazy quad mudder dude. So I'm going to upload some quad mudding videos that he's got for, we're going to call it Dusty's Mudding Series.
There you go.
And you guys let us know what you think of that. Anyways, yeah, hit the like button. Fucking see you later. And if you're a little bitch and you don't like the swear words, well, that's your problem, not mine. Catch you later.
Whoa.
Woo! Send it!